I have the 300 series Land Cruiser here. Our test on the CREB Track was a little bit less challenging than we expected, so we've got a new track. We're heading into the rainforest. This is a very challenging, undriven track. I haven't done this for probably 20 years, so it should be interesting to see how the 300 series goes on what I understand to be a much more challenging track than the conditions of the CREB that we drove earlier. Before we set off on our little rainforest adventure, I thought I'd run through some of the changes that the vehicle's had since we did the CREB Track. When we did the CREB Track, the vehicle was only fitted with all-terrain tyres and the tow bar recovery point. Nothing else was available. The vehicle was delivered that early that none of the accessories had arrived by the time we set off. So a couple of the additions to the car is we've got the genuine Toyota alloy bull bar, which is winch compatible. We've got the winch fitted, light bar, underbody protection, frontal recovery points, and we've got the UHF fitted to the vehicle. The vehicle's been fitted with the genuine platform roof rack, and that pretty much rounds out all of the modifications currently on this vehicle. Talk about the track that keeps giving. We're not even 4Ks in and we've hit this other significant challenge. It's a bit of a gnarly looking mud hole. We've checked the depth. It's got a solid bottom and it's not too bad. So we're going to have a go at it and see how we go. So we've reached another significant little obstacle here. I dare say this one's going to challenge us a bit more. I would probably think that the 300 series may lose a side step. I'm not sure whether it will get up without potentially needing to winch, but we'll see how it goes.